Welcome to this autumn's Business Seller News. As we move into a busy selling and buying period for many of us, we wanted to let you know about some of the new changes we're making to help you run and grow your business on eBay. Here's an overview of the changes. You'll start to see updates to help your listing and promoting process on the marketplace. You'll see an expansion of tools that will give you more capabilities to boost your business performance and help increase your sales, plus more ways to share your discounts with your buyers. You'll also find some new ways to run your business on eBay, such as easier ways to manage your account and who has access to it. To find out more about the new changes, make sure to read the full Business Seller News. As always, thanks for choosing to be part of the eBay business selling community.
Get more tips and guidance from the eBay team by subscribing to our channel on YouTube and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.